megahertz. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM28, broadcasting from a transmitter near Rowena, South Dakota. Our program
Alright, come on.
the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls.
Come on, roll you guys. Roll your chest. Come on, FSD.
This hazardous weather
Oh,
outlook is for
this goes
northwest
take a bit.
Iowa, west central Iowa,
Yeah, it's gonna probably
southwest
postpone
Minnesota,
to...
northeast Nebraska, central South Dakota, east
I'll be
central
right back.
South Dakota, south central South Dakota, and southeast South Dakota. For today and tonight, periodic showers and storms are expected through today into tonight. Locally heavy rainfall leading to the potential for minor urban and small stream flooding is the main threat, though a few weak frontals can't be ruled out. For Thursday through Tuesday, showers and storms continue to be likely Thursday, with locally heavy downpours leading to the potential for minor urban and small stream flooding the main concern. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Your National Weather Service forecast for Sioux Falls and the surrounding tri-state area. West of today, showers likely. Thunderstorms likely early this morning, then a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the mid-70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southeast with gusts up to 20 miles an hour this afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s.
I am back.
Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny.
Have they
A
tested
chance
yet?
of showers. A slight
Come on,
chance of
roll ya.
thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy
guys
with a
don't
chance
want
of
to.
showers. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly
You guys.
lows in the upper 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Oh my God, are you guys
Chance of
frozen?
rain 50%. Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then
Okay,
becoming
there you
partly
go.
sunny. A chance of showers. A
Oh, at
slight
11?
chance of thunderstorms in the morning,
You
then
said
a
that.
chance of
One more,
thunderstorms in the
then we're
afternoon.
getting ready.
Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Monday, mostly sunny.
Here you go, here it
Highs around
comes.
80.
Oh
Monday
my God,
night,
wait.
mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s.
We gotta wait.
Tuesday, sunny.
Well,
Highs
we
in
wait,
the upper
fella.
70s. At 11 a.m., the sky was cloudy in Sioux Falls. The temperature was 67 and the dew point 62. The relative humidity was 84%. Wind was north at 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the tri-state area, Mitchell was cloudy and 65. Yankton was cloudy and 68. Brookings was partly sunny and 68. Worthington was cloudy and 67. Other conditions across the northern plains. Around South Dakota, temperatures were in the lower to mid-60s. Rain was falling at Watertown and Pierre. It was cloudy at Huron, Aberdeen, and Rapid City. In southern Minnesota, at Minneapolis, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 76. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 73 at Mankato and 77 at Rochester. At Marshall, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 68. Across Iowa, at Des Moines, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 76. At Spencer, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 71.
Ah, now then!
This is a test. test. This is a test. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This tone will normally precede the broadcast of emergency messages. During potential dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to advise or warn of impending hazards. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time. The test will be canceled if severe weather threatens the area during the usual test time. Reception of this broadcast, especially of the alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Variability is caused by such factors as terrain and distance from the transmitters, and will occur even though you may be using a good quality receiver. To provide the most consistent and dependable service possible, the warning alarm tone will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting those counties within each transmitter's listening area. This concludes our test. We now return to normal programming. At 11 a.m., the sky was cloudy in Sioux Falls. The temperature was 67 and the dew point 62. Humidity was cloudy and 65.
Alright. Thank you, W. Thank you. Alright, thank you, WF. Thank you, FSD.